come and we packed together a client's crotchet order. Our client ordered 8 sets of crotchet braids, but they are different in colors. Though when you look at them you may think it's the same color. Guys, I had to launch my crotchets on all my social media platforms. But God's plans are the best. I sold out my crotchets before even introducing them to my social media family. I have left with like 9 sets of them. But in one style, that is 2 by 2. We had different types of crotchets. So guys, our launch will be next year. We are working so hard to put everything in order. I big up to everyone who has supported me from day one till now. God bless you all. At SAR Wigs and SAR Crotchets, we always deliver.